Today we made some very special donuts to end our special Halloween week videos. With the new recipe, it's delicious! Today we made Halloween mini donuts. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. We need a mold for mini donuts, 50 grams of sugar, 90 grams of flour, 1 egg, 50 milliliters of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 35 grams of butter. Start by mixing the butter and the sugar. At first it seems impossible, but you'll see that little by little the batter will soften. Add the egg, the milk, and the vanilla extract, and beat again. Add the flour and baking powder. First, mix it without turning the mixer on. And then put it at low speed until it's integrated. With a little bit of oil, we're going to grease the mold so that it's easier to remove the donuts later. Now fill a piping bag with the dough. And subscribe to this channel! Turn the bag like this so that it doesn't come out. And cut the tip of the bag. Fill the mold like this, trying to fill the mold with the same amount of dough. Put it in the oven at 325 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. While they're baking, we're going to make a buttercream just like the one we made for the monster cupcakes. 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of icing sugar. Add orange dye and beat it again. For the donuts, I will use this round tip. Prepare the piping bag this way. Take the donuts out of the oven and when they're cold, cover them with buttercream. And with spatula, soup them up. Now with the star tip, we're going to make the top of our pumpkins with green buttercream. Right now they look like oranges, we know. But now we're going to add licorice or any black candy you want and cut triangles to make the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And that's it! Super scary donuts, but so cute! And this recipe tastes amazing! We'll see you very soon with the next episode of Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon. Don't miss it! Bye!